Okay, y'all, sister's taking the gas line off the dryer so we can power wash behind it. And if you can see her, and I'm gonna make sure you can. All right.
I'm thinking it goes lefty-loosey, but...
So it does. So we're pulling this way toward you.
Yeah.
So when you do something like this, you want a pipe or a wrench. We're just using regular adjustable wrenches, not a pipe wrench, on both the stable part and the movable
Yeah,
gas
because
line.
we don't want this one to move.
We don't want that to move or get loose. So that's why she's doing that. So she's going to pull this way with this
push
wrench,
down here.
and she's going to push down here to take it off. She's going to try.
Yeah.
And she got it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got recto seal on it, so it'll take a little.
Hopefully they can see that.
So remember, 2 wrenches on it, y'all. Not 1. Oh, I hope they can too. There you go. All right. Perfect. And
Gonna
she
have